So, good evening everyone. Today's topic is blood vessel. We have already studied about the different parts of the human heart and the circulation going through it. But in this part, we will study about the blood vessel. So what is the definition of blood vessel? So blood vessels are those vessels which carry the blood away from the heart or toward the heart. Means blood move through certain vessels, and these vessels are called blood vessels while circulating throughout the body. So there are three main kinds of blood vessels. What are it? We already know it very well from our beginning classes of class 5. So these are artery, vein and capillaries. If we talk about the artery, what is artery? Artery are the blood vessel which carry away the blood from the heart. Suppose it is the heart, and the blood vessel which move the blood from the heart to the different organ. So these blood vessels which move the blood, which help to move the blood from heart to different organ, these vessels are called artery. Now there are different characteristics of the artery. You can also see the figure of the artery given over here. What are the different characteristics? First, it has a thick muscular wall. Yeah, you can see the muscles of the artery is thick. It is an artery and it is a lumen. This part is the muscles. This part is the muscles, and this muscle is very thick, and it has a very narrow lumen. This part is called lumen. This part is called lumen. So why the muscles are very thick? The question arises because when our heart pumps the blood out, at that time the pressure of the blood is very huge. To cope up that particular pressure, the muscles of the artery is thick, so that it can easily cope up that huge pressure. But it has a narrow lumen. Narrow lumen means the place through which, or the opening through which, the blood passes. This is the narrow lumen. Yeah, this is the narrow lumen through which the blood passes. So it is very narrow. As the muscle is very thick, obviously the lumen will be narrow. Now the third term, or the third topic, comes about the characteristics. This is blood flow in spurt. It means when the blood flow through the artery, you can see I am pressing the radial artery of my left hand. You can feel the spurt. Spurt means pressures which will come on the finger. It means when the heart pump, it creates a pressure on the artery, because blood goes from the heart to the all part of the body through the artery. So at that time it should have a huge pressure. So due to this pressure, spurts create. Spurts means धक्का, जिसको हम लोग महसूस कर सकते हैं. Now the next topic is called, it has no valves. No valves means आर्टरी के बीच में कोई वाल्व नहीं होता, क्योंकि ब्लड लगातार हार्ट से निकल करके बॉडी के ऊपर से लेकर के नीचे पांव तक जाता है, इसलिए इसके पास कोई वाल्व नहीं होता. Now we are going to talk about the next topic, that is called vein. So let us study about the vein. As we have already studied about the artery and we come to know that the blood vessel which comes out of the heart and move the blood toward the organ, they are called artery. At the same time, when the blood vessel from organ to the heart, when the blood vessel return from the organ to the heart, so this blood vessel is called vein. Means vein bring the blood from the organ to the heart. So what are the different characteristics? What are the different characteristics of the vein? First, you can see in the figure, it has thin muscular wall, just comparative to artery. Artery has thick muscular wall. Second, it has wider lumen. You have seen that the artery has very narrow lumen, you can see, but it has a wider lumen. And third, blood does not flow in spurt. It flows uniformly, very slowly. Uniformly, not very slowly, you can say. Uniformly means without getting stopped. And it has valves. Means you understand, heart is present over here. When the blood comes from toward the heart, it goes against the force of the gravity, gravitational force. It can fall down. So prevent the backflow of the blood, it has valve. Means यदि इसको क्लियरली बोलूं तो वाल्व हार्ट के वेन के अंदर में वाल्व होता है ऐसा. ये वाल्व ब्लड जब ऊपर चढ़ जाता है तो उसको नीचे नहीं उतरने देता, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करता है. क्योंकि इस कंडीशन में यदि सारा ब्लड ग्रेविटी के सपोर्ट में नीचे की तरफ उतर जाए तब तो हार्ट में ब्लड पहुंचेगा ही नहीं. और उस कंडीशन में तो हार्ट अटैक भी हो सकता है यार, कोई भी रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, हार्ट में ऑक्सीजन की कमी हो सकती है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो ब्लड लगातार हार्ट तक पहुंचता रहे, उसको कोई परेशानी ना हो, इसके पास वाल्व है. उसके बाद बात करते हैं हम लोग कैपिलरीज की. सो व्हाट इज कैपिलरीज? कैपिलरीज इज द थर्ड type of blood vessel. It is a fine network of the blood vessel. You come to understand, you have already understood that this is the heart, and from heart artery comes out, and artery divides several times, and again several times, and again several times to make a fine network of blood vessels, very fine network of blood vessels. These fine network of blood vessels get united once again and forms the vein. So this fine network of blood vessel is called capillaries. So what are the characteristics of the capillaries? Capillaries have no muscular wall. As you already understood that the artery have thick muscular wall, vein have thin muscular wall. With compared to that, capillaries have no muscular wall. At the same time, if you talk about the lumen, artery has a very narrow lumen, vein has a wider lumen, and the lumen in the capillaries is wider than vein. So how the blood flow through this artery? Blood flow through this capillary. Blood flow very slowly with compared to artery and vein. And one more thing that you must understand, that the blood capillaries has no valve at all. So you can see the figure already given over here. I have already drawn heart, the blood vessel which circulate the blood from the heart to the different organ and keep the blood away from the heart, then it is called artery. And when the blood vessel bring the blood from the different organ to the heart, then it is called vein. And you can see I have drawn a valve in a blood vessel, that is vein. is a valve. This valve is not present in the artery, keep in mind. So today's video is about the blood vessels and it has been already completed. Thank you very much. Make the notes and write it down, and obviously you will show me in the RM Public School app. Thank you very much.